Hi folks, I've just done this one for Patreon. It's just a memory of a stand of trees in Mordenhall Park, although Mordenhall Park is flat. But the trees now, in the middle of August, or coming towards the end of August, are turning now, so they're, apart from these darker greens in the trees, as they're always lighter in the spring, well, seem to be. And I've just added some burnt sienna here and there to show the turning leaves. We have had a very, very hot summer for a couple of weeks anyway. Up till last Thursday when it broke with a storm, the temperature's 10, 11 degrees cooler than it was like this time last week and the 2 weeks up to that. So by and large, we've had quite a good lockdown. Luckily we've had a garden to enjoy and sit in, and I've done a lot of cooking outside to make the most of it. And we have socialised. Not great crowds of people, but threes and fours, you know, family, close family. So it's not been so bad for us, and so far we've kept clear of any diseases, flu, COVID virus, whatever it is. So I hope you're staying safe and using your time to develop your ability. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for looking in. Bye bye.